Here's a CDC Digi jet torch that I use to light my chimney starters and my fireplace inside and out. Here's the box. It's probably the best lighter I've ever used. You can use this type of a lighter in the kitchen to toast creme brulee, but I don't use it for that. I use it strictly for grilling and smoking meats and my fireplace, as I said, inside and out. Some people, you can actually use this. It says it melts solder, gold solder, small brazing rod, tin, glass tubing, plastic binding work, and aluminum. So you can use it for many different things, but I was tired of using the flimsy lighters that you can buy anywhere. I actually bought a Zippo lighter and that burned out in about 6 months, that I have another YouTube video about. This one here is the best that I have found. There are features on the back. It holds up to 220 minutes. It's refillable, uses refillable butane, which is awesome. This is one thing I've noticed. I've used this now for at least 6 months. So I think it's a valid review. I didn't just start using it, and I've only had to fill it a handful of times. There's an adjustable airflow control valve, gas flow control valve, safety kill-off switch. It's lightweight, sturdy removable base for added safety. Now I'm going to open up the box. So there's actually two pieces in the box. One is a base, and from some of the reviews I have read, that base originally wouldn't hold the unit properly. Here's the unit. There's a lock switch here, which will keep the flame on. There's an off switch there. On the other side, there is a plus and a minus. That's on the highest flame that there is right now. This is the igniter switch right there. And this is how it fits into the base. So it really has a nice grip in your hand. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just start the flame. Just push in with my thumb. And you can see how effective that flame is. Any wind will not affect that flame. It goes out roughly 4.5 inches. See if I can get it against a dark background. But that's on the highest setting. And now I'll just put it to medium and try it again. You can see it's about half. It's like 2 inches out on that setting. So to use the lighter in a lock position, you just depress the trigger and then push back to where it says lock, and you can see the flame will go by itself. To shut it off, just push it back to the off position. So filling it is fairly straightforward. You just tip it upside down. There's a hole right here into which that nozzle will be pressed into, and you just depress it for roughly 10 seconds and it will fill up the chamber, and you'll be good for another 220 minutes, which is slightly less than 4 hours of lighting time, which is, it's amazing how long it lasts without having to refill. Here I am using it to start my chimney starter. All I'm doing is depressing the trigger, and you can see the flame. I'm just going to put it right in between, right in the holes, and easily light the chimney starter. It could be very windy and it'll still work perfectly. So I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my Life with Grilling YouTube channel, and please like this video, and thanks for watching. I think you cannot go wrong with this lighter.